How to use the Mass Updates feature to update records in CentraHub CRM. The Mass Updates feature allows you to make a change in multiple records in a single instance. Step 1. Log into the CentraHub CRM account. Sign in to CentraHub CRM. Step 2. The application would display the CRM dashboard. Select the desired module from the menu. Here we would select the Account module. Step 3. Click on View Account from the drop-down list of the Account module. Click on View Account. Step 4. On the Accounts list page, select the records for Mass Updates and click on the Action tab in the top right area of the screen. Select Records for Mass Update. Step 5. The application will display the page for the Mass Update for that account. Enter the required information for the Mass Update. Select the field. Select the module. Click on the arrow to select the fields for Mass Update. Enter the value of field whose records are to be updated. Type the value of field to which Mass Update has to be done for the records. Click Next to access the Filter Criteria function. Set conditions for Mass Update of records. Click Next for the preview of the Mass Update. Click on the checkbox if the update is done. Step 6. Click Finish. The Mass Update will be completed successfully. Get a free demo at CentraHubCRM.com. All-in-one CRM for any growing business.